Rajat, I want to ask you about your essays preparation. What interesting था, Rajat has been getting pretty good marks, so 120 plus, plus इस साल is expecting even higher marks. And the good thing is, interesting thing is, इन्होंने essays almost खुद ही prepare किया है, without joining any classes, खुद सीखे हैं. So how did you? एक तो बताइए कि essays में आपने कैसे decode किया essay preparation, and what do you think we need to do to score good marks in essays?
Sir, I think when I started writing mains, my approach was largely just around examples. तो जो हमने हमेशा सब सुनते आए हैं कि give dimensions. So if there's a topic, give environmental dimension, economic dimension, and everything. We think we are making it multidimensional, but those are not dimensions.
Those are examples.
Those are simply examples. कि आप एक topic है and आप उसका environmental, economical example दे रहे हो, you're making it a GS like answer. That is not what the examiner likes as while reading. Now I have worked in evaluation of essays, so I have read at least 1,000 essays myself in the last 2 years. And while going through them, what I observed is if you're only giving examples, the reader will be bored at a time. What that person wants is depth. And how do you give that? You ask questions about the topic.
Okay.
So let's say there is a topic that has 3 keywords. You go and you ask what are those 3 words. So if at every part you have to understand how to make it interesting. In the introduction, if you're giving an anecdote or a quote, explain it in let's say 70 to 80 words. Then the next paragraph has to be about linking that anecdote to the topic.
Okay.
You explain how that anecdote is relevant to the topic given. The third paragraph in the introduction has to be a thesis statement that these are the objectives of the essay. Introduction done, 150 words. You move on to the body. You start with explaining what the topic is. What are the key terms in the topic? You explain them, let's say 3 terms, you explain each. To every explanation, I call it an argument or an idea. What is the term is an idea. You answer it in your own terms. Then you give a short 2-sentence example to it.
The example छोटा करके discuss the dimensions more.
Discuss the dimension in philosophical terms more, in your own terms, explain it. And let's say the topic is something about love. Go to the question, say, what is love? You give an answer to what is love, then you give an example on a personal note. A mother may have love for her son. This is an example in just 1 or 2 sentences. Do that for all the dimensions. So you just ask what, then ask why. Why is love important? Or why does love do that? Then you come to how does love do it?
Ways of questioning the topic.
Exactly.
And elaborate and don't pump the essay with too many examples.
If you're pumping examples, it's fine, but they have to be very short. Don't try to write anecdotes given the introduction throughout the essay. What I've seen is people try to show off their depth of the example. आपको example को depth नहीं देना है. And one important thing, very important structurally is students try to first write the example, then explain it. उल्टा कर दिया. आपको example को explain नहीं करना है. Examples are for substantiation. Examples
first discuss
the idea
and then use example to substantiate that discussion.
Exactly. This is the structure that is correct. Otherwise, you will simply give an example and write 1 full page to explain it.
And what reading have you done for this type of writing? Special reading क्या?
I haven't done anything. I simply heard it कि ऐसा करना होता है. I realized that while reading essays, ये मुझे सबसे अच्छे लग रहे हैं. I have evaluated essays. The best marks that people got was in these kinds of essays. And at that point, I did not know what toppers write क्योंकि मैंने toppers के भी नहीं पढ़े थे. उसके बाद में मैंने toppers के essays पढ़े and I found out exactly the kind of essays that I was writing जो toppers ने लिखे. And those kind of people have scored 140, 150 in essays. जिन्होंने ऐसे लिखा है. Examples आपके mediocre होंगे. And example wise आप GS का अगर हर कॉपी कर देंगे एग्जाम्पल, what I've observed is in essay people try to start with Gandhi, people try to start with Ashok,
it's repetitive, it's boring,
with Akbar, with maybe Arundhati Roy. Everyone knows them. What new are you bringing to the table? Have you only read what is available in the market? If you haven't taken initiative on your own level to innovate, to go to maybe ChatGPT or anything and look for more interesting examples, all you have to do is go to AI, ask interesting topics from this topic, interesting examples from this topic.
Excellent.
So make a collection of very interesting and personalized examples. The moment the examiner sees कि इसने ओवर द लाइन जाकर अपने लेवल पर कलेक्ट किए हैं पद्मश्री अवार्ड
Taking your creativity, your
Exactly,
application,
exactly.
your understanding, and not just example without discussions.
अगर हर जगह पे आप राजा राम मोहन रॉय और विवेकानंद और सिर्फ यही एग्जांपल्स दोगे
You are
और
shallow
इंडिया
in terms
पाकिस्तान
of
और ये और एक और इम्पोर्टेंट ऑब्जर्वेशन इज people think that writing cricket related or Bollywood related examples would give them very good marks. ठीक है बीच में आप करो ठीक है but if you go to the very technical details of cricket और पूरे इंट्रोडक्शन भर में आपने क्रिकेट ही लिख दिया है and other person is simply not interested in cricket,
you lose it.
you lose it, that person lost interest. तो give small examples maybe but पूरा इंट्रोडक्शन अगर आप सिर्फ क्रिकेट के ऊपर लिख दे हो that that's all.